This Jim with his Force RC P-51. Still my favorite flying P-51. Me favorite P-51, Jim.
Well, hey, I told you could buy it.
No, I don't.
27-year-old receiver on the other one. You
no.
Can't beat that deal.
No, I know it. If you were just had it out at the swap meet or something, but I don't want to buy your plane, man. It's too good of a flying plane. Plus, I got to pay penance. I wrecked mine, so my penance is to do without one for a while.
I wrecked mine, and it hadn't been for years. This would be in a box, okay?
Well, I did buy the eFlite one. It flies okay, but this in here is like flying a. It's kind of a comparison between driving a Ferrari and a Corvette. You know what I mean? This in here is the Ferrari as far as how it handles.
And it moves out well. It does everything well.
Yeah. And this was the original eFlite Dallas doll, from what I understand. And then they swapped it around. And you fly yours on 3S, right? You fly yours on 3S, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I was flying mine on 4S. Is that plane in your way?
No.
Okay.
I stepped on something. I went down between my legs.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, don't worry. It's just one of them copperheads.
Oh, don't say that, guy. Yeah, this thing does really well.
Oh yeah, I told you, man. It's a sweetheart. She's a sweetheart, yeah.
Huh?
She's a sweetheart, yeah.
Yeah, she really is. Well, like I said, I've got several really good flying airplanes, so if I lost one, yeah, I may sell that Zero I've got. There's nothing wrong with it.
Oh yeah, I thought you liked it.
I do, but I don't ever fly it.
Oh yeah, and I'm that way. If I don't fly it, and you know, at least once a month or something, there's no reason in keeping it.
I need to pull it down. The landing gear is catching just barely. Fix that, and there's something else that needs to be adjusted on it.
Oh yeah, I sold a couple of planes. Randy out here at the field, he bought the T-clips.
Yeah.
I told him it was a bear to control on the ground, but he seemed to think he could figure it out. So God bless him. I hope he can. It flies wonderfully, but it just is
Hey, he got to fly it
a bear. No, we didn't fly it. I took it off and flew it, you know, and showed him it flies good. But
he tried to get it up. He knows there's a problem.
no, he wasn't trying to get it up. He was just trying to taxi it. But and then I sold a fella on Craigslist, bought my C-130.
Oh, did you get rid of that?
Yeah, a fella named Raul. Real nice fella. We met out here, and he may come out and contemplate joining the club and stuff. But he was real happy to get it. He used to be a crew chief on C-130s.
Oh, yeah.
So a little bit of nostalgia for him there. And I told him, yeah, that's the main reason I bought it, is because, you know, the time I was in the Army, I had many a flight on many hours in the air riding on one of those, getting lugged around across the country, actually across the world. And made 2 emergency landings in a C-130.
That was not fun.
So it was kind of nostalgic for me too, but if I had a bigger storage space, I would have never gotten rid of it. Good one, Jim.